Hello and welcome. Here you will find the recommended math review topics for chemistry and physics. This is the math you need to successfully complete courses in physics and chemistry. Some of the math may have been forgotten, which is needed to succeed in science courses. The focus is on math actually used in physics and chemistry, and the approach to mathematics begins with examples, designed to own your ability to think in mathematical terms and to apply quantitative methods to scientific problems. Here is what you will do. You're going to do the recommended math review topics that are listed. For each math review topic, you're going to pass the mastery assessment, which is abbreviated as MA. And if you need help, then you can use the practice exercises, which is abbreviated as PR. And importantly, you want to make sure you use scratch paper as you go along. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select modules here. And you can see here that the first part here is where you're going to have to read first. And then in the next section has a My Open Math Yuzu tutorial. So what this does is it explains how to be able to use this platform. So it's a good way of kind of going over the My Open Math Yuzu tutorial. If you go to the next item, these are diagnostic skills pretests. So it goes over certain mathematical items that you can use. And then the next page goes over math attitudes short form. So it basically just goes over some questions that you can answer here in regards to how you feel about the mathematics that you've already have studied in the past. So now we're going to hit next. And now we're going to go to Unit 1 outline. And the Unit 1 outline in each particular unit is going to go over the topics that are going to be described for that particular unit. In Unit 1, they are discussing order of operations. So this is sort of an outline of kind of what you're going to see in this particular module. If we click Next, here we have MA, which again represents the mastery content. Okay, so it gives you sort of a description of kind of what you're going to be doing here. And then they give you a question, and then within this question, then you answer it. And you're going to have 5 questions. Now you have an unlimited amount of attempts to practice. And so here, it's a mastery content. So what this means is what do you know before you start practicing? So you can complete this as many times as you want. But again, what this does is it's just knowing what you know now or what you need to know as you move along. So again, this is a mastery content. Now, once you go through the mastery content, you can go to the practice, which is for PR. Now, this is the practice section of the order of operations and calculator input math review topic. So it says it is entirely optional practice to help prepare you to pass the mastery assessment. The questions are ordered from easiest to hard, and you may work on them in any order. And then also you want to look out for the hint buttons. So again, here is your topic. So here you have 4 questions, and then here's your questions. You have a hint. You also have a calculator. You have an option to introduce this topic, and then you have the video. And then as you proceed to finish this module, then you can move on to the next one, which is Unit 2. And then it's going to have the same procedure. You're going to have the mastery content, which talks about unit conversions. And again, these are specific items that you can click on. So you have common conversion factors. If you click on that, you can see what that looks like. Then you have your metric, which is here. And then you have your fundamental and derived units. So again, all this information is available to you. And again, this is the mastery content. And if we go to the next part, now we have our practice. So again, here are 5 questions for practice. And again, here's an introducing to this topic, a worked out example, hint, significant figures, and a video. So I hope this helps you along the way.